What's up, everybody? It's Bitcoin Derek here. And today's forecast for Bitcoin is 8,757 on the 12th of November, 2019. Now, what's important to know is Bitcoin is getting ready to go into a halving stage where in May they're saying it's going to be very close to having the 21 million Bitcoin that's supposed to be made. And once the 21 million Bitcoin are made, there are not going to be any more Bitcoin made, and that's going to skyrocket the price of Bitcoin. It's been predicted to go up to at least $500,000 per Bitcoin. Right now it's at 8,759. So imagine what can happen if you had just one Bitcoin. This is the type of stuff I've been trying to preach to you guys about if you don't understand the power of Bitcoin. So the company I'm with is called Mirror Trading International. And what they do is trade Forex daily, Monday through Friday. And what Forex is you're taking pairs and you're pretty much predicting if they're going to go up or down, just like the stock market, but you're just dealing with money. And say you got a pair of like the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. So you're going to predict that it go up and down. But the headache was a lot of people were getting into Forex and they just don't understand how it fluctuates, just like the power of Bitcoin. It goes up and down, up and down. So what we did, we came up with an artificial intelligence bot to do our trading for us. Instead of having the headache of sitting at a computer all day predicting if the market is going to go up and down, we created a bot that's going to get out the trade before it go down, get out the trade before it go up, but make us a little bit of money. And this bot, it makes thousands of trades for us daily. So imagine that. So the pool, the company I'm in created a pool where people can come in, put in whatever they want. The minimum is $100. And when you put in your $100, it goes into the pool. It can be any amount you want, but the minimum is $100. So let's say I put $1,000 into the pool. So my $1,000 is into the trading pool, and let's say they make 1% that day. So 1% of $1,000 is $10. So that day I win, I make $10. Now the next day come around, and let's say they make another $10, 1%, or let's say it make another 1%. So what's going to happen? Now my money that was $1,000 has turned into $1,010, and it's trading off of that. So it goes up even more. And that's called the power of compounding. And with Mirror Trading International, all we deal with is Bitcoin. So no matter what's going on, every day I'm making Bitcoin. And that's what I'm trying to teach you guys what to do and how to do it. Start investing in Bitcoin. It's not just a prediction for me. It's like the gold rush. Back in the day, some people did it, some people didn't. The people that did it, families are still living off that money today. So just think about what Bitcoin can do for you, your family, your future. Today was a good day, but tomorrow will be a great day. You guys have a good one.